How are we gonna cook food in here? Oh, hello. How you doing? Remember this? $10, well, you're blocking the fire pit. $10 fire pit we built in a video. How cool is that? Your neighbors will come over for this like that. Got a lot of really good comments from people. And now we're gonna make the improved $10 fire pit. Hi. Oh, couple things that needed to be improved. The Labradors love firewood, right? There you go. All right. First thing was water. When it rains, you get, well, there's water in there, okay? There it goes. So we had to be able to drain the bottom of this puppy. The second thing is there's a bit of smoke that comes off the flame here, so we need some air. And then the third thing we need is to be able to cook food, right? Right. Hey, real quick, this video is sponsored by Troy-Bilt, longtime supporter of GardenFork. 27-ton log splitter, 20-inch bar chainsaw, makes for some very nice firewood for your fire pit. One thing I noticed here while we were using it is I used self-tapping screws to attach the rim to the drum because I don't want to have to do any welding. I want to make it easy for me and easy for you to put together. But I'm going to upgrade those screws. It's easy enough because I keep on saying easy, I know. Let's go. Corded drill. What's that? You know, in the land of everything being cordless, think about investing in a corded drill. This, I'll link below to this one. This is about 60 bucks. It's a hammer drill and it's gonna make your life really easy. It's so easy that we're gonna cut into metal, drill into metal. We're gonna be using what's called step drill bits, which I love for metal, and a corded drill into here. These are called step drill bits because they have little steps on them, and you can have one drill bit or two. They come in a pack of like 3. I love them, as you can tell. As you drill in, the hole gets larger, so whatever size hole you want, you just mark that with a piece of tape or pretend that you can remember. And well, I'm just gonna show you, okay? Make sure it's going forward, not reverse. Isn't that great? It's like thunk, 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 thunk. So if you take anything from this video, if you're not gonna build a fire pit, at least buy some step drill bits. Holes around the side for air, holes in the bottom for drainage. So these are what, I'm all about use what you got, and well, this is the shop. So I just dug around and I found some, these are kind of overkill, but it's what I got, so that's what we're using. I mean, why make a trip to the store if you already got something, right? So, nice, huh? Okay, oh, that sounds weird. Talking into the barrel. Anyway, now our challenge, food cooked in the fire pit. I have a solution. Here's some of the ash we cut and split. Make some nice coals, then you know what's gonna happen. How cool is that, huh? You've succeeded. Your neighbor's gonna come over because they're gonna smell sausages and corn on the cob, on a wood fire. Not bad at all. Just use what you got, put it together. If I can do it, you can do it, all right? Should I try and bite into this? Oh, that's good.